Hey everyone! Welcome back to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I'll explain the difference between red snap and purple snap on Snapchat, and also what exactly a snap is. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile and head over to the Chats section. Here you'll notice different chats with colored icons next to them, like red, purple, and sometimes even blue. Now let's break it down. Red circle red snap. This means the snap is a video or photo with no audio. When you open it, you'll see the image or video, but there won't be any sound. Purple circle purple snap. This indicates that the snap is a video with audio. When you open this one, you'll not only see the snap, but also hear sound, just like a normal video clip. So in short, red is visual only and no sound. Purple is video with sound. And that's the main difference. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Insightful Tutorials for more bite-sized tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.